Hello everyone, I'm Lulu. Welcome to Lulu's AI Daily Brief, your tech intelligence brief. Here's today's latest AI news for June 26, 2026. We have 12 stories. Let's get into it. Here's your quick overview. Coming up, Yann LeCun slams AI regulation as like banning jet engines in 1920. OpenAI goes all in on agents. Every department now runs on Codex agents. Gemini 3.5 Flash gets native computer use, browsers, desktops and mobile controlled directly. GPT 5.5 Instant just got smarter, better intent understanding and more natural conversations. And more in today's 12-story brief. Let's dive in. Turing Award winner Yann LeCun just dropped a bombshell on AI regulation, calling it like banning jet engines in 1920. He argues it's premature and impractical, sparking fierce backlash and support alike. This isn't academic theory, it's a direct challenge to the EU AI Act, US executive orders, and global regulatory timelines. OpenAI isn't just building agents, it's running on them. The company just confirmed that every single department, including non-engineering teams, now uses Codex agents for complex, cross-functional work. This is the ultimate dogfooding moment, and a massive signal to every enterprise betting on agent workflows. Google just leveled up Gemini 3.5 Flash with native computer use, meaning agents can now directly control browsers, desktop apps, and mobile UIs without external tools. Unlike plugin-based approaches, this is built into the model itself, giving developers lower latency and higher reliability for automation tasks. By the way, if this brief helps, please subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a daily update. OpenAI just upgraded its most widely used model, GPT 5.5 Instant, with significantly better intent understanding and more natural, fun conversations. Since this powers millions of apps and agents, even subtle improvements ripple across the entire ecosystem. Google Finance just got its biggest upgrade in over a decade, now packed with AI-driven market summaries, custom portfolio insights, and a sleek new app interface. This isn't a standalone AI tool, it's AI baked into a mainstream financial product, showing how quietly and powerfully AI is reshaping core consumer services. Alibaba's Qwen team just dropped AgentWorld, a 35 billion parameter MO model paired with AgentWorld Bench, the first truly scalable, simulation-based evaluation framework for agents. Instead of testing one task at a time, it offers standardized metrics across simulated worlds, finally bringing rigor to agent assessment. Yes, ChatGPT now lets your houseplants talk back. Using simple sensors and GPT 5.5's real-time inference, this new feature generates voice responses based on environmental data like light and moisture. It's framed as fun, but it's actually a clean, production-ready blueprint for Edge AI plus LLM feedback loops. Hugging Face just made LLM deployment stupidly simple. One command launches vLLM on HF jobs, complete with GPU optimization, autoscaling, and ready-to-use APIs. This slashes DevOps overhead and makes self-hosted inference viable for startups and research teams alike. Alan AI just mapped the hidden strengths and blind spots of hybrid models, showing exactly which tokens, like code or math symbols, get predicted well, and which ones fall through the cracks. If you're deploying Mamba-style models, this research tells you where to trust them, and where to add guardrails. Can AI really do science, not just summarize it? That's what NatureBench asks. Developed by Tsinghua's Zhou Bowen, it tests whether agents can design experiments, iterate, and beat human results in top-tier journal contexts. This moves AI evaluation beyond replication, straight into genuine discovery territory. Anthropic just co-launched Raise US, a new coalition tackling AI's labor disruption with concrete action, not just rhetoric. Backed by employers and policymakers, it aims to align AI rollout with worker res killing. But here's the catch, Anthropic hasn't yet disclosed its funding or staffing commitment, raising questions about depth versus optics. What happens when millions of AI agents start negotiating, trading, and delegating work among themselves? DeepMind's new podcast explores exactly that, framing agent economies not as sci-fi, but as an emerging infrastructure layer. Think smart contracts meets swarm intelligence, and it's already being designed. That's all for today's Lulu's AI Daily Brief. If this was helpful, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and like this video. I'm Lulu. See you tomorrow.